Welcome class 5 in your EVS class. So we were doing the chapter mangoes round the year, and last day I have given you a question in the video, so you will write there, and few questions are over here which I'll discuss with you because these all are on your own experiences. You have to write. So I will discuss one, you will listen the answers and you will do according to the discussion, and you will write your own experience. Okay, so the first thing is, first question is, what things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? So you can write down what are the things are made from the ripe and unripe mangoes. So unripe mango, we generally make pickles, some type of sauces, and sometimes we make the panna and all that. Some kind of squashes are also made from this kind of unripe mango. And the same thing we can use for the ripe mango. Ripe mango is also used for kinds of squashes, and sometimes we make the ice cream out of this ripe mango, and some other dishes like the mango lassi, and there are some kind of chutney which we make out of this mango. And some people also make the sweet dishes out of this ripe mango. So there are lots of uses of this ripe mango and unripe mango. Now there is, make a list of all the different items of the pickle that you know about and share with your friends. So you will make a column, you will find one column. Suppose here are the column, you will make two columns. First one you will write the name of the pickle. And then here you will write the ingredients. And you will write the ingredients. Suppose here name of the pickle and how it is being made. So don't write the method, just to write the type of the pickle. Suppose you are writing here mango pickle. Okay. So the mango pickle, whatever the ingredients are needed for the mango pickles: unripe mango, along with spices, salt, oil. Okay, so this unripe mango along with the spices like turmeric, salt, and then cumin and coriander, these all type of spices are there along with the salt and oil. So like the pickle of the mango, this is the sour pickle of the mango. When you are making the sweet pickle of the mango, you will write the rice, mango, spices, salt, and if any other jaggery, if anything is other ingredients you are using at your home, you will write their name. So you will write, like the mango pickle, you can write about the curry pickles, you can write about the lemon pickles, you can write about the chili pickles. So you can write, lots of pickles are there. Whatever at your home they are being used, they are being made, you will write at least 2 to 3 names. Okay. Next question is given here. Find out and discuss. If there are any kind of pickle made in your home, what kind of pickle it is, who make it, and from did they learn to make the pickle? So naturally you will write the name of the pickle and who makes it. Suppose your mother is making the pickle, you will write the name of your mother. If your grandparents like grandma or nanima, they are making the pickle, you will write their name according to your wish, according to your desire, you will write the name. Whatever the name is suitable and who makes the pickle, you will write that person's name only. Okay. Next one is, what all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house. So the same question is here. Suppose you are writing about the mango pickle, you will write the ingredients like the unripe mango, spices, salt, oil, and if you are writing some other kind of pickle, so you will write that ingredient. Suppose you are making, or you are at your home, they are making the chili pickles, so you will write the name of the ingredients which you are using for making this kind of pickle. Okay. Now How are these things made in your home? So papad is given here, chutney is given here, badiya is given here, and sauce is given here. So I think no one makes these kinds of item, but suppose anything is being made, suppose chutney and sauces, these generally made at home, so you can write about them. That chutney is actually what ingredients you are using. If you are using the mango chutney, then you will write the mango along with the jaggery or the sugar and some kind of jaggery and sugar you are writing, and along with the spices which you use for this kind of sweet chutney. And the sauces, in case of sauces you are using some preservative. So what kind of preservative you are using? Sauces, at first we take out the pulp of that ripe mango, or maybe the tomatoes are there. You are just boiling the tomatoes. Then you are taking out the pulp through a strainer. You are taking out the pulp of these tomatoes, and then you are boiling them along with the jaggery, salt, sugar, and after that you have to add some kind of preservative. Maybe it is sodium benzoate, maybe it is even the sugar and jaggery is also the kind of natural preservative, but from this preservative we can preserve the things for few weeks, not more than it. But if we are using some chemical preservatives like sodium benzoate, hydrogen peroxide, that time we can keep the things for a long time or for a long term, maybe a year or more. Okay, so you will write according to the use, whatever you are using, whatever the ingredients you are using, you will write those names. Okay, next one is, it is a 2-day journey by train from Pune to Kolkata. If you were go on the trip, what food items would you carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list in your copy. Okay, so you will make the list, whatever the things you would like to take it with you, because these all are choices which it depends on a particular person, that what type of food item that person likes. So I cannot write these things on the board. So it is your own choice. It is your own choice. No, whatever things you love to eat, whatever things you would like to carry, you will write those names, and how you will pack them, you will write that also. Okay, that's all for the day, and I am completing here the chapter. The activity book we will do in the next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.